my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and these are my mannequins, my art fashion helpers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create back to school inspired hand-painted hoodie. And you know guys, sometimes I miss these days when I was studying at school, but I definitely don't miss my school clothes. They were so boring and I didn't have money to afford some unique, interesting clothing. And if somebody would just show me that I can buy basic clothes, I can buy fabric paints, and I can create so cool clothes for myself, I would be so happy and I would be so grateful to this person. So I decided to make this video and to show you guys this easy way of creating cool clothes for yourself. So I will paint on the black hoodie, but you can paint on the t-shirt, on the sweatshirt, on the denim, and also you will need fabric paints. If you have never heard about fabric paints before, you can watch my educational videos. I will put links in the description below. And also guys, hoodie which I'm gonna create in this video, I want to give away. So to participate in the giveaway, you should like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, I'm there dariacreative, and then write a comment down below that you followed all these steps and you want to win this hoodie. So let's get started! So here is the hoodie which I will paint on black basic hoodie, and the idea of the design is to paint some science symbols, mathematical equations, hoodie to pretend that you are the smartest kid in school. At the center of the composition I want to paint atom. I will paint freehand now, but if you're afraid to paint freehand, you can paint atom first on the paper. And then you can use carbon paper or transfer paper to transfer this painting from the paper to the hoodie. And if you paint on the black clothing, you need white color carbon paper. I'm skipping this step because it's easier for me to paint freehand, but if you are a beginner, you should make this step first. So let's paint! And first I will use white color paint and round brush size medium to paint atom. And now I will use yellow color paint and big flat brush to create shine at the center of the atom. And I will mix yellow color with white color, and more white color I will put on the center and more yellow around it. So this way I will create this shining effect. And now I will use blue color, I will mix it with white and I will create background around the atom. And again I make brush strokes in different directions. And now I will put 2 or 3 layers of white paint on the orbits. And now I will paint electrons. I will paint 3 of them and they also will shine. And now to make this atom even more artistic, I make some small brush strokes with white and blue colors. Also, I paint a couple of lightnings.
And now I decided to put a bit orange color to make this shine at the center of the atom more beautiful, and I mix red and yellow to create orange color. And now I decided to put one more layer of paint on the orbits.
Okay, painting of atom is finished, and I painted it in an artistic way to show you all the possibilities of fabric paints. But if you feel that you can't paint this way, of course you can paint it in a more schematic way using just white color fabric paint. And now I will fix a hoodie on the cardboard and I will put it on the table and I will complete design. So let's continue.
And now I put cardboard inside of the hoodie. I will fix hoodie on the cardboard, and I decided to continue to paint on the table because it will be easier for me to write. I will write now equations, some physics formulas, and you can write some different equations, some different formulas. You can even write something which you can't learn but you need to learn, so it will be like a cheat sheet for you. And again, I will put 2 or 3 layers of white paint on these writings to make them pop. And I'm wondering, what if you would create some kind of a cheat sheet on the hoodie and you would go to the exam? Would the teacher notice or no? What do you think? Write me your thoughts in the comments below. But definitely it would be so cool prank. And now I want to paint a couple of sign symbols, and first I paint them with white color paint to create an undercoat, and I will let this undercoat dry, and then I will paint them with colors. And now I will use hard brush. You can use some hard toothbrush for splattering. I will splatter white, yellow, red paint. And also I will make a couple of brush strokes. And painting is finished.
It was so fun to paint this hoodie. It was like back in time for me, back to school. And as I said, you can paint different symbols. You can even do your homework on your clothes and come to class. So guys, to get a chance to win this hoodie, you should follow these steps and then write a comment down below that you want to win it. And I hope this video was useful, and if it was, smash that like button to support my art and to support my channel. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel for more painting on clothes videos. And I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.